you've got the rice all cooked and the cooker switches to warm, then you'll be able to assemble rice bowls as they're ordered. I do want to kind of talk about health and safety side of rice because it is a high risk food. So temp that you want it to be at is always at least 135, 140 degrees, and you should never hold it for more than 2 hours at a time. So that's why you will purchase two cookers, because you'll always have a second batch coming for the next 2 hours. And keep in mind that first batch, and as you're cooking it throughout the day, takes anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour depending on how much you are cooking. So there will be a hot hold temp paper that you can fill out throughout the day just to keep track of your temps and to be sure that your employees are taking temps and tossing it at the end of 2 hours, or hopefully using it all up and that you've got your portions correctly on how much to cook throughout the day. So you should have a hot hold thermometer at your restaurant. Keep in mind, some thermometers are not intended for hot hold, so they won't actually go up to the required 135, 140. So be sure that you get one of those if you don't already have it as well. So you're gonna start with your bowl and then the 6 ounces of the brown rice and quinoa mix. So you'll use this little scoop. It is a 6-ounce scoop, but keep in mind with the airspace, you wanna make it just a little mound. About like this, you can see that. And then you'll spread it all through the bottom of the bowl. You will get one of these build sheet for the rice bowl specifically. So there is 2 different columns that are kind of a little different than what we've normally seen on these build sheets. So there's the column that's fresh in the bowl, meaning that all of these items are not grilled. They're going right on top of the brown rice quinoa mix. And then you'll also have the portion that's the part that's supposed to be cooked on the grill. So you can see all the stuff there. Of course, it'll print on your kitchen ticket as well, like so, hopefully. So you'll have the grilled chicken on this one, Thai sauce, and then all of the grilled veggies and shug. All right, now for the grilled parts. Since we're doing the Thai chicken, we'll get the chicken on the grill, along with our veggies for this one. So green peppers, onions, give it a bit of a chop, mix it up. And then just let it sit, let it get hot. Once it gets hot, that's when we will add the Thai sauce and the shug right on the grill. Now that we've got the meat cooking on the grill with the veggies, we've got our rice and quinoa mix in the bowl, we're gonna top it with the veggies. So this is where you would interact with your customer, get that customer engagement going, and see what they want on the bowl. If they want it just how it's listed on the menu, that's perfect, that's easy. And you would just go right from the ticket. Of course, they can add anything that they want, just like they would with a pita. So for this one, it has spinach, and you're gonna stick with your same portions that you would in a regular size pita. So spinach, this one gets some cilantro, and carrots. And then you'll slide it on down to the end here, where we're gonna wait for our grill person to bring it over to us. Now that we've got the chicken on the grill, it is getting hot, the veggies are cooked through, it's time to add our sauces. So for this one, we grill the Thai sauce and the shug sauce. We'll just put a little bit of that on, a little bit of the Thai. And then remember to use your saucy set of grill utensils to mix it all up. And then it's ready to go over to the rice bowl. All right, then you're gonna put the grilled stuff right on the top there. Spread it out just like you would on a pita, so they get a little bit of all the grilled stuff right in every bite. This particular one does not have a sauce that goes on the top, and it does not have cheese, but those ones that do, you would put the finishing sauce right on the top, and the cheese right on the hot stuff to get nice and melty. Okay, and then last but not least, you're just gonna lid the bowl. It clicks right into place. And then these lids are kind of nice because they have the air vent holes, so the condensation won't build up like crazy in these bowls. And then a fork, of course, with all of them. Right now we are using the wrapped forks just because of COVID, but you get the point. And then you're all ready to go. Perfect.
Hi guys, so this is what menu 2020 looks like. If someone orders a rice bowl, you're just gonna select rice bowl, and then they'll let you know which one they would like. A couple of them offer different meat options. So if they order the Ode to Athens, you would ask them if they want the chicken souvlaki, falafel, gyro, or no meat at all. So then you would just select the meat option. If there's any grilled veggies, we confirm with the customer at the register if they would like those grilled veggies. A popular one would be like the Thai Buddha bowl, has grilled onions and green peppers. So say they didn't want the onions, you'd call it out with no onions. We offer anything else on the menu as a rice bowl. A popular one would be a buffalo chicken. So we do buffalo chicken and then rice bowl. We only offer the regular size for the rice bowls right now, and we can do any vegetarian option or any meat option for the rice bowl. Thanks.